Hello everybody. We're out here on a trail today and I've got a special surprise. Our daughter Brooke decided to come out with us. If Brooke starts belly aching at some point, you'll be able to hear that too. Like all 11-year-olds will do from time to time. That's frustration from 11-year-old.
We're really close.
Oh my goodness, you're not going to go off that, are you?
Yeah.
You're kidding me. Is that deep enough?
Yeah.
As you can see on an earlier video, I was talking about these Sena helmets and the sizes. I ended up getting Lisa a new blue helmet and we kept the smaller one for Brooke. So now we can all three talk. But this is Brooke's first time out with us.
We're excited to have her.
Yeah, so we're going on around a trail up from Nutter Fort, and we're going to be going along the, correct me if I'm wrong, Lisa, Monongahela River?
Yeah.
Okay.
We are at Prickett's Fort, not Nutter Fort.
Oh, sorry, Prickett's Fort.
Yeah, Prickett's Fort, and this is the Monongahela River.
Yeah. So, Brooke is on her regular human bike. So Brooke's 11 years old and she is our youngest child by far. The next oldest child is 18 and he's going to be a sophomore in college, and then we have two other sons that are both closing in on 25. One's 25, one's 24. 4 grandkids with one of those. So yeah, we just keep having youngins in the house, so hopefully that'll keep us young. So I tried to pick a trail that I have done, and I have done this trail before, but it's a pretty nice trail. We're going to go up here to, well, we'll see how far we get with Brooke having to have her regular bike. We're going to try to make it up to a dam up here, and then we'll turn around and come back. But I tried to pick a pretty flat trail so we wouldn't have hills that Brooke would have to climb up. So we'll see how it goes. We've got the intercom on all 3 helmets, so you'll be able to hear Lisa and Brooke. So if Brooke starts belly aching at some point, you'll be able to hear that too. Like all 11-year-olds will do from time to time. But
it might be me. It might be me needing to stop. Who knows?
yeah, it might be Lisa. Who knows? So we're cruising around now at about 5 miles an hour. That might be Brooke's top speed. Hey Brooke, stay to the right, okay? There she is. I finally heard her voice. Hi there. Bye. Brooke, do you have anything you'd like to share?
No.
No. Okay.
You want to tell them what grade you're going into, Brooke? I'm going in
6th grade, huh? Yeah, she's in junior high.
kind of a middle school, junior high.
Yep.
And she has been playing a sport, Brooke. Do you want to tell them about that?
Yeah.
That's exciting because that's a new sport for us this year. Yeah.
Yep, I think she'll do well.
I think trials are like in August. Okay. I think, I'm not sure.
Tryouts in August. Okay. So we've still got some time to work, huh?
Yeah.
How are you doing pedaling, Brooke?
Good.
Oh yeah, by the way, I wanted to clear a little bit of something up. On the last trail video that Lisa and I did, she called me JP several times. I don't know, most of you might know or not, but my name is John. And the problem with that is my dad's name is John. His dad was named John, so we all had the same name. But we all go by a different name when we're amongst family. My grandfather, everybody knew him as Buck. My dad went as John. And then when I came along, they didn't want to get us confused, so they started calling me JP or just J. Some call me JP, some call me J. So I answer to anything that starts with a J pretty much. Except Jenny or something like that. So Lisa will probably call me JP from time to time, and that's me. That's me.
It's really pretty today because it's not super hot.
Yeah.
Feel a little cool breeze blowing. What do you think, Brooke? Yeah, feels pretty good. Okay, good.
Yeah,
Legs are doing okay, babe? Okay.
Yeah, these trees really help out on a hot day. And then when you're riding a bike, of course, you've got the wind. It's almost like being on a boat or something. This is kind of a lazy trail. It's as you can see, there's a lot of greenery. We've got a really thick canopy above us. It's pretty flat, kind of meanders along the river. We'll pass a few houses up here pretty soon.
And Brooke, if you feel like you want to go faster, we can. You can go past me. I'm up there. Okay.
Yep.
Just be careful riding in between here. We can go slow just so you... Yeah, go a little bit slower through smart rate. Okay. Yeah, this was always my scariest part right there. I was afraid I was going to hit my handlebar. Yeah.
Yeah, Brooke will go at your pace, however you feel like going. Mama.
Whenever you want to turn around, just remember we got to pedal back, okay? I know. Okay.
Brooke is not a very seasoned cyclist. She rides around the house sometimes, but this is by far going to be the biggest trip she's ever taken.
Yeah.
I had to change her seat out before we left. See, that bike came with the skinniest seat I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
And we ended up putting actually one of our old Lectric seats on, which, believe it or not, was an upgrade from what used to be on it. And she didn't like that one after a while, so I put a new...
Now there's this one.
Yeah, you like that one better?
Yeah.
That's a Schwinn seat I got from Walmart, but actually it's pretty cushiony, honestly. We got that for another mountain bike that we have.
It's clear. Wow. It's always scary going through this. Yes, it is.
Yeah, they have to put those up to keep people with their four-wheelers or ATVs and cars and things from coming down through here. So what do you think, Brooke? Isn't this kind of neat seeing all this stuff you don't normally see?
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Little bridges and stuff.
Yeah. When you need a break and want a water break, just let us know. We'll take a break. Okay, we'll stop up here. Stop up here in the shade right here. Yeah, I think I need a water break. Okay.
Okay. There's our little Princess Brooke. All right, we'll be right back with you. Okay, we're back from our little break. Had a little bit of water and walked around for just a minute. Now we're back on the trail. So Brooke's doing really well so far. We've gone about 1.5 miles. So that's pretty good for Brooke. Because we have to do that same 1.5 miles. Remember, we have to go back as far as we go out. I see there's quite a few boats out on the river today.
Yep. Our neighbor is kind of like starting up their boat. I guess he's like working.
Yeah, he just might go out today, huh?
Had to get a bug off my arm. That's the loo.
Yeah, we're out here in nature. You'll get a bug or two here and there.
Yeah, at least it wasn't a mosquito, because I have like 20 mosquito bites in the past 10 minutes. Yeah, they love you and your dad. Mosquitoes. But the sun loves you, Mom. Yep. The sun must hate me. I've only been sunburned like a couple times in my life, not very much. Because I can. You got that nice skin.
Mm-hmm.
Can you believe that? Oh, there's cardinal. Oh yeah, I saw that. There's another one. That's the female, and that was the male. Yeah, the male is the like really red one. Red one. It's always the males that are like prettier. Yeah. And brighter. Can you believe that the railroad used to go through here, Brooke? Kind of neat to think that the train used to take people on rides out here, you know, and people used to travel to get places and to get cold places, and they could take what trail is this? Because no one ever told. Dad, I think this is the Mon River Trail, right, JP?
Yeah, this is the southern part of it.
I would love to just go down in the river. Hey, can I see a minute?
This trail's kind of two parts. It's the southern Mon River Trail, and then you get up to Morgantown and hit the Caperton Trail that goes through the city. And then once you get past Star City, it turns back to the Mon River Trail, the northern section, until you hit Pennsylvania, and then it turns into the Sheepskin Trail at the Pennsylvania line. So if you start here at Prickett's Fort, you can go all the way to Point Marion, Pennsylvania on this one trail. I usually do it in sections because it's just so long. Yeah.
It'll feel good to get back home and get splashed around in some water, won't it? Yeah, we got a pool a couple days ago set up and leveled. It's not like a big pool though. It's like just good size for like 2 people. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 10 foot round pool.
Yeah.
10 feet across.
Yeah. And then like 30 inches.
Yeah, about 3 feet deep or so.
It's not too bad. It's actually pretty fun. It feels big when you're in it.
Mm-hmm.
Cool off when you're hot, huh, bro? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's kind of just like a big whirlpool or something.
Yeah.
This is a nice little area.
There's tons of butterflies. I was 8 cents
Whoa, that was close. That butterfly just about kamikazed right into me.
Yeah, your arms are getting tired. We probably should turn around and go back to let's get a little drink. Recording.
Whoa, did you see that turn?
Very good. Were you on a one pedal assist?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't hardly turn with this pedal assist, especially this close of a turn. I'm cold.
Brooke's getting her little drink.
Yeah. Oh, there's people. Oh, my bike up.
There's a lot of folks out today, huh?
Yeah, there are. Look at that. Remember? It's not as nice. Wow.
They're moving along too.
I have this cool, like fanny pack, like water bottle holder.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool. Because I don't have a cup holder on my bike. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
So I can just hold two water bottles right here.
Yep.
If you don't have a water bottle holder.
I'm curious as to what this black cord is down through here.
Black cord.
Yeah.
Looks like TV cable, doesn't it?
Down here.
Hmm.
Kind of like.
Somebody's pirating. That'd be a long piece of cable now.
The sand's like not like human beings. My arms are pretty. No, the sand on my bike. Yeah, it's not. I thought you just said sand. I'm not sure what. So just move your arms like around if they're tired. Yeah, 2.7 one way. 2.7 miles. Not bad.
Yep.
First time out.
Nearly almost 3 miles. I've got the app on, so we'll be able to see exactly when we get back.
We're
We're gonna go about 6 miles.
Pretty close, yeah.
Three back, almost three back. Almost here. Which is about 6. Like 5.
You ready to get going?
I guess. Okay, go forward.
Okay,
5 miles right now.
we're back off. Brooke had requested that we keep the camera rolling on one of our stops so people can see what we do. So now that that's done, you can see what we do. Isn't this funner, Brooke, than sitting in your pool?
No.
No. It's a nice change, though.
Yeah, kinda.
Kinda. Are you gonna
Jumped right into my corner now.
Are you gonna come back out with us again sometime?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Guess we go a shorter trail, maybe.
Well, that's about as. I mean, any trail can be short. Just depends on how far you want to go on it. This is actually a really long trail. We kind of cut it short ourselves. Alright folks, as you can see, we took a quick break and Brooke decided she wanted to try the Lectric. So we've got our, I don't know if I've ever seen a video with an 11-year-old riding the Lectric, but she is doing very well so far. She put her mom on her regular bike. She can't put me. She can't put me on a regular bike because the last time I was on a mountain bike, the back tire blew out with me on it after I went about a block. So that's another reason.
Stop pedaling for a second. There you go. And then you can see me in your mirror over there to your side, right? Yeah.
That's another reason why I got the Lectrics with the big fat 4-inch tires, because I knew they'd support me better than those little thin tires. Honey, you look different on the regular pedal bike.
I bet. I feel like my knees are coming up to my chest. Mine are coming up to the same amount that it does on my bike.
Yeah.
I'm trying to increase the gearing. Yeah. My legs hurt. I told you.
Hey Brooke, just remember, whenever it comes time to stop, you've got to be very careful. Just let it drift. Don't stop real fast. Let it drift. Kind of slide forward on the seat. And then whenever you're almost stopped, just kind of hop off frontwards and let both feet land on the ground. You've got that step through, so that bar is not in your way. You run up here real quick so I can get a little bit of a footage of her. All right, let's get a little bit of footage of the 11-year-old daughter on the Lectric. Step through. Hey, and listen, Brooke, when you pedal, you don't even have to pedal hard. Just move the pedals real slow and the motor will still push you.
Yeah.
Can you feel that? Okay, drift every now and then so Mommy can keep up with us. Yeah, and be careful with this road.
Get up there with her, it's fine.
All right, we're all clear. You can go across. Just kind of drift a bit, Brooke, so that she can catch us. So Lisa, now you've got some experience on the same day. Which is better, the Lectric or the regular bike?
Oh my goodness, the Electric for sure. Yeah, the Electric is way better. Even the 11-year-old says so.
So we may.
This is giving me a leg workout. So. Wait, Dad, you should give me an electric bike now.
All right, so we've got another order in for another electric bike, huh?
I'll have to get the 2.0 then.
Yeah, yeah.
I want one for Christmas. And I'll go on a bunch of bike rides with you. Right here?
Well, go ahead up to the bridge.
Yeah, I think we should stop on the bridge because if someone's coming by, then...
Yeah. Got some people down there swimming. I can't see them though.
Oh, I can see ahead. Swimming. I need a drink here.
Was that enough of the regular bike for you?
Nope. I know she's not going to want to go back, but it's far.
I need to sit over it.
It's also kind of warm.
How's the water down there? Oh yeah? Oh my. You guys are daredevils.
Get back in your bike. I want to see if I can.
Let me see a good jump. Oh my goodness, you're not going to go off that, are you?
Yeah.
You're kidding me. Is that deep enough?
Yeah. Not really.
Be careful.
Oh my gosh. Is he all right?
He's fine.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's a bike around.
Yeah, you never know what you're going to see on these trails. How you?
I wish I could bring this up a little bit.
Okay.
You're gonna have to edit that out.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I think I might be coming up on your left here.
All right, we're back on the trail after watching Greg Louganis do some dives off of the bridge. That was kind of scary.
Never done that. Kevin, I've watched for traffic.
Brooke still hijacked the Lectric, and
We're clear.
I don't know if we'll ever get her off of it now.
Thank goodness we're only going to Brick and Sport. I'll come in all of your rides and Mom won't.
So Brooke's up here leading the pack,
Yes, sir.
and
I keep getting further and further back up, sorry. My leg's gonna hardly keep twirling.
yeah.
Another Cody out here soon? Maybe right now.
Brooke, we may have to put you back on that bike so Mommy can make it back.
We're literally almost there.
Honey, she just had hip surgery.
You better edit that out. I'm very Mom, what she said. That Mommy just had hip surgery. Yeah.
Everybody already knows.
I know, but it's weird letting people know that you guys are here 15 and I'm just 11.
Okay, go ahead and stop, Brooke. Mommy is way back there. All right, as everybody can see, we're back at it, and we did another little bike switch.
Okay.
Lisa had enough of the regular bike,
Yeah. Okay, there's a biker coming up now.
and we
Yeah. The speed on that, the handlebars, and the pedaling is very difficult. The electric is better. The electric is much better.
we almost had to pry Brooke off of it.
Yeah. See, that was like one.
She's putting her orders in for Christmas already.
Right.
But I guess if we want to order one, we're going to have to do it now. If we want it by Christmas, it's by the sounds of the shipping issues.
Yeah.
But
Take that. Can we get in front of you, baby? Coming around.
that's frustration from 11-year-old.
We're really, really close. How much longer? See the trestle up here? That we're at Brick and Sport right here.
Yep, we're about there.
I'm tired. I want to go home. Yeah. I'm ready to go home. Cut it on your left.
On your left, huh? Okay, we're off of our little last break, about 100 yards from the truck. The problem is we've got a pretty steep hill to go up to get to the truck, so we're going to have to probably push up the hill. So I'll be able to use the walk feature again in real life rather than the demonstration that I did on the last video. So we won't leave anyone behind, so we'll walk up with Brookie.
Well, we didn't see any deer.
No, we didn't today, did we? It's a little bit hot. They're usually in the shade or somewhere around some water.
What? Oh, wait, never mind. I thought there was just ways. Obviously, which way?
Just follow the pavement.
Yeah, I thought there was like a way going that way.
Is that enough for you? Okay, we're going to hold the down button for 2 seconds, and it goes into walk. As you can maybe see on there, it says walk. Not sure what the P means, but it's there.
About 5 miles, 5.3 miles. That's pretty good for your first ride, man.
Yes, it is.
Say bye, guys.
Okay, folks. This is the first video I've ever done that I've actually walked the bike up to the truck. We had to walk up that hill, as you saw, since Brooke had the regular bike. So we got off and walked ours one up with her. So anyway, had a good day out. Brooke did a really good job. We rode, what, about 5.5, 6 miles. I did use the app on this ride, so it'll show at the beginning exactly how far we rode. But anyway, please like and subscribe. Share this video with friends. The more subscribers we get, the better it helps out. And it's free. Just hit the subscribe button and we'll have more videos like this. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Enjoy the rest of your evening. God bless. And we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.